always wear, but you forget to watch. Nobody plans to be half the world away at times like these, so I sat alone and waited out the night. The best part of what has happened was the part I must have missed, so I'm asking you to shine it on and stick around. I'm not writing my goodbyes. I submit no excuse if this is what I have to do. I owe you every day I wake. If I could, I would shrink myself, sink through your skin to your blood cells, remove whatever makes you hurt, but I am too weak to be your cure. Is this the way a toy feels when its batteries run dry? I am the watch you always wear, but you forget to watch. Nobody plans to be half the world away at times like these.